Hi guys, I am here with another color grading tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit a wedding photo. And this color grading is pretty famous now, and lots of people ask me to do this kind of color grading. So let's see. At first, copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert it to a smart object and open it with camera raw filter. And I will also keep this as a preset for mobile Lightroom and also the Lightroom CC and camera raw. So go to the basic and I'm going to increase the temperature a little bit, just a little, 2 for temperature, and I want to add some contrast, 52 for contrast, and -20 for highlights, and 30 or 31 for shadows, and -10 for white, and +25 for black, and 32 for clarity, and 2 for dehaze, and then 42 for vibrance, and 4 for saturation. Then come into the curves and select here RGB, and create a point here and make another point, I think this is fine, and then go to the red. Make a point here and create another point just like this, just like this, and then go to the green. Make a point like this, just here, and just like this, and then go to the blue channel and just do the same like the green. Just like this, and then go to the color mixer option, and in the hue I'm giving 25 for reds and 15 for green, $25 for aquas, -10 for blues, -5 for purple, and 30 for magenta. Then go to the saturation, -8 for orange, -53 for yellow, and -87 for green, and then -40 for blues, -70 for purple, and -35 for magenta. Then go to the luminance, and here -10 for red and +4 for orange, -15 for green, and 4 for aquas, and 5 for blues. And then come into the camera calibration, and in the red primary channel, 5 for hue and 5 for saturation, and into the blue primary channel, just -5 for hue. So it's done. Look at this before and after. This is the before, and look at this, look at the after, and press OK when you are done. Look at this, this was the before and this is after. Let's try with other images also, and I'm using exact the same values. Look at this, this was the before and this is after. It looks really good. And let's try with this. Look at this, this was the before and this is after. It looks great. If you love this video, if you love this preset, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.